I want to show you how you can adjust your flywheel sensor in this short video. You can see on the screen, this is flywheel sensor. It has a wire. Now let me show you how you can install it. It is not difficult, it's very simple. You can just follow the prompt. As I'm doing that, you can see I'm screwing it inside. I lose the lock nut backward. As I'm screwing it inside, I'll screw it inside until it touches the flywheel itself. You can see as I'm screwing it with my bare hand, it's going inside. When it touches the flywheel, all you need to do is, you can see it's still going inside now. It's going inside, and at this point it almost touches the flywheel. You can see it has touched the flywheel now. As I touch the flywheel, what will you do? You can just return it to 360. Just return it by 360. You can give a mark and return it backward to the same mark. As soon as the mark will appear, subscribe to my channel. Thank you, then lock it.